All right, guys, 2020 Toyota Tundra 5.7 liter V8, lifted, all decked out. What a beautiful truck. Beautiful stance and everything. Anyways, let me show you guys what we've done on it for him. We've still got the factory converters, all four. Then, remember how we widened it to a single muffler? We took that out with an X-pipe, two Flowmaster 40s, part number 42441. And then 2 1/4 tailpipes out the back on each side, right there and right there with custom hangers. And then we finished it off nicely with two black chrome double wall tips. I don't know if you guys can see them in the camera. There they are right there. He wanted them tucked and dumped where you don't see them. We said, we got you. There they are, there and there. Get the sound away from the inside. And then the muffler that was on it is right here, the dual in, single out. And there's the tailpipe that was on it that we took off also. There it is. Looks a lot better, a lot cleaner. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. And make sure you guys share, because sharing is caring, especially when it comes from exhaust addicts. There it is from the back so you guys can see it. I had to back up a lot for you guys to be able to see that tip. That's clean. It's different. We've never done that look, so it's clean. What do you guys think of that look? I like it. Hidden. Nothing crazy. Go ahead. That's idle. 97. Perfect when you rev it. It's 97. That's clean. Yeah. Oh yeah. Classic Flowmaster tone. I don't know why these don't come with an X-pipe from the back. It might be inside the muffler they put in. Maybe. No, that's exactly. Again? Yeah, that's clean. One more? What do you think of that too?
That's exactly what
Go ahead and back it up. Smooth, and it's clean at idle, it's quiet.
Yeah.
That's a good looking truck, man. Classic Flowmaster sound. And the X-pipes always complement the Flowmaster really nicely. There they go. Go, go, go. Go save some lives. We love our first responders. What do you guys think of that stance? Such a nice stance on that truck. Look at that. Beautiful. Let you guys hear on the inside. Oh yeah. The next UPS is trying to catch up. The Toyota's gone already. He's gonna come by too. Come back by, so we'll get you guys another video. Here we go. Here's the drive-by, guys. Oh, it's clean. It's not crazy loud. It's just clean tone. You can hear it.